The SoundPEATS TrueAir 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a budget pair of earbuds, the TrueAir 2 by SoundPEATS. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual and the USB-C charging cable. The TrueAir 2 features 5 hours of listening time, 25 hours with the case. It takes 1.5 hours to fully charge the earbuds and the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 and the Qualcomm 3040 chipset. 14.2mm drivers, aptX codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. Touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case has a compact, slim design, a bit different from earbuds with a stem form factor. It has a matte finish all around and the SoundPEATS logo on the top. On the right side of the case, you have the status LED and USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly and it has a tight feel. Earbuds are held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. The ear indicators are etched inside the case. The earbuds are a semi-in-ear design, similar to the Apple AirPods. The ear indicators are on the lower part of the stem. The outer face has a silver accent with the logo, along with the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, touch control, LED, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. These also have volume controls. The case comes in at 2 by 2 by 0.8 inch. It weighs in at 27 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
If you're right here next to me, something's wrong, isn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I look a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS TrueAir 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and you can use the earbuds individually, left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the TrueAir 2. Since these are a semi-in-ear design, they are extremely comfortable since they don't add pressure in your ear canals. So no issues wearing them for extended periods of time. They don't feel as secure and wish there was some type of fin for added support. The touch controls are a plus. Build-in quality is fair. Plastic case with a slim profile. They feel durable along with the earbuds. The earbuds are smaller and shorter compared to some of the stem designs that I have reviewed in the past. Touch controls were responsive and not overly sensitive. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5 hours and 25 total with the case. I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence, but you won't get the heavy deep bass. This falls more on a brighter sound signature. Mids and highs come in a bit forward and it's clean and clear, and vocals and instruments do stand out. Overall, these earbuds have sounds that fall on the brighter side if that's what you prefer, and the microphone performed well during calls. It definitely is a good alternative to the Apple AirPods, as the price will not break the budget. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS TrueAir 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.